Hi guys, and welcome to day 3 of your holiday hustle. I'm in my cozy clothes, which means today is going to be easy. Just kidding. Just means I didn't put on my normal fitness attire today. So let's get started. We have 5 minutes to put some work into our core. 3, 2, 1, high plank. So find the top of this high plank. You've been here multiple times already, and we're going to tap our shoulders one and then the other slowly. Good, give me side to side. You're here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, good job, 2, and 1. Drop your heels to the right. Raise your left arm up to the sky. 5. We're gonna lay on our back in 4. First we do the other side, 3, 2, exhale, feet to center, feet go left, raise right arm up, come into our backs after this side, 5, 4, 3, maybe you're in your cozy clothes, 2, center, good, now bring it down. Quick flip onto your back for me. Go ahead and when you're ready, raise both of your legs to the sky. Exhale your hands behind your head, scissor your legs, one and then the other. Good, flex your feet. If this hurts your low back, you can put your hands under your low back or work with bent knees. You're here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1 foot up, 1 foot down, 1 knee down, 1 foot down, 2, 1, land. Good, heel to toe, 8, 7, option to make it smaller, you just kind of bring it forward, okay? Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your head up. Quick switch of those legs. Good. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on, get the shakes. 4, 3. Let's do this. 2. 1 more rep. 1. Bring your leg up, 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 up. Good. Exhale, bend your knees at 90 degrees. Beautiful. From there, you're going to crunch up, reach for the ankles, down, down, up, reach, down, down. You're here for 4, reach, down, down, 3, reach, down, down, 2, reach, down, down, and then 1, reach, down, down. Hands come down. Tap your heel on the right. Tap your heel on the left. Tap both your heels on the ground. Reverse crunch. 3, 2, 1. Good. Single left. Single right. Double heels. 3 reverses. 3, 2, 1, tap heel, heel, both heels, reverse, 3, 1 more time, 2, 1, tap one heel, tap the other heel, tap both your heels, bring them up, we've got 3, remember, do the video twice if you want 5 minutes, 1, good, legs in the air, hands by your side, drop a foot again, you have 8 more, 8, 7, 6, there should be a little burn, 5, 4, switch legs in 3, come on, 2, 1, bring it up first, lower, switch, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, knees at 90 and 3, keep that head up, 2, 1, good, crunch up, reach, lower, down, crunch up, reach, lower, down, good, up, reach, lower, down, come up, reach, lower, 4 more, it's 4, reach, lower, last 3, up, reach, good, last 2, up, reach, down, last rep, up, reach, back, head down, hands down, heel right, heel left, tap heels, reverse crunch, 3, 2, 1. Good. Heel, heel. Both heels, bring it up. 3, 2, 1. Just tap both heels. 3, 2. One more rep. Ready? 1. Beautiful, beautiful. Hug it in. Nice work today, guys. Spent a lot of time on our backs. Quick start in plank, not even a full minute today. Way to go, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 4.